When winter arrives, the difference between a simple shoveled path and a stress-free clearing can be a matter of choosing the right tool. Some snowblowers are overcomplicated, while others underperform. The solution lies in balance, and that is exactly where today's product earns attention. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. This channel is dedicated to helping you evaluate products thoughtfully, without hype, and with long-term ownership in mind. Today, we are reviewing the Dekopro 14-inch corded electric snowblower. This is a compact yet high-performance corded snowblower designed for homeowners seeking efficient snow removal on driveways, sidewalks, and small to medium yards. With a 1,500-watt motor, 3,500 revolutions per minute speed, and adjustable chute, it combines steady power with precise snow placement, making it suitable for anyone who wants consistent, reliable snow clearing without dealing with gas, maintenance, or large storage demands. If you are managing moderate snowfall and want a tool that works the moment you plug it in, this snowblower is relevant to your needs. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment. Reason number 1. Powerful 1,500-watt motor for dependable performance. At the heart of this snowblower is a 1,500-watt motor paired with a 12-amp brush motor. This combination delivers reliable torque and consistent output, enabling it to tackle thick snow efficiently. Whether you face a light dusting or accumulated wet snow, the motor provides the strength needed to clear pathways without repeated passes. Reason number 2. Broad clearing width and depth. With a 14-inch clearing width and 6-inch intake height, this snowblower handles typical residential snowfalls effectively. The design allows for fewer passes over driveways and sidewalks, saving both time and effort during winter maintenance. This makes it ideal for homeowners who want predictable, consistent clearing without excessive fatigue. Reason number 3. High-speed operation for efficiency. The snowblower runs at 3,500 revolutions per minute under no-load conditions. This high-speed operation ensures that snow is moved quickly and consistently, reducing the time you spend outdoors in cold conditions. For regular winter upkeep, this translates to a smoother, faster clearing experience that feels deliberate rather than hurried. Reason number 4. Long-distance snow throwing. The Dekopro snowblower can throw snow up to 20 feet away. Coupled with the adjustable chute, this allows precise control over where snow lands. You can direct snow away from cleared paths or sensitive areas, keeping your driveway, walkway, or garden neat and accessible. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this feature is particularly valuable for maintaining clean, safe areas without constant repositioning. Reason number 5. Brushed motor reliability. The 12-amp brushed motor provides consistent performance over long-term use. While brushless motors are becoming more common, the robust design of this unit ensures durability and smooth operation for repeated winter use. Homeowners can rely on it season after season, knowing that the motor has been engineered to withstand regular, demanding tasks. Reason number 6. Compact and manageable design. This snowblower's 14-inch width and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver around corners, narrow sidewalks, and tighter areas that larger blowers cannot access. Its manageable size also allows straightforward storage in garages or utility closets, an important consideration for homeowners with limited space. Reason number 7. Dedicated after-sales support. Dekopro offers a responsive after-sales team ready to assist with any issues. Backed by clear support channels, the product ensures peace of mind should questions arise or maintenance be required. Combined with the sturdy design and trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this creates a complete ownership experience that goes beyond initial performance. Final verdict. The Dekopro 14-inch corded electric snowblower is not intended for extremely large driveways or commercial snow removal, nor does it include a cordless battery system. However, for homeowners with small to medium yards, standard driveways, or narrow sidewalks, it offers a thoughtful balance of power, efficiency, and usability. Its motor performance, reliable throw distance, and manageable size make it a standout choice for consistent winter maintenance. For anyone seeking a dependable, plug-in snowblower with minimal fuss, predictable performance, and long-term value, this is a product that delivers. Assess your snowfall needs, consider the coverage area, and make a confident decision.